Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to show you how to prepare Nigerian fufu. We are using white cassava to prepare Nigerian fufu. Join us as we are about to prepare this.
If you have not watched how we harvested this cassava, the video is on our YouTube channel. Kindly check it out.
Yes.
Join us.
That one is too big.
Yes, so it's big. Okay. You bring the we'll go down for grand.
So we are done with the peeling of the cassava.
Yes.
Let's go to the next level. So yes, we want to soak it. Cover it. We are going to leave it for 3 days. Thank you for watching. So beautiful people, here is our cassava. It's soaked. This is 3 days. You see, it has soaked. No, Manuela, bring that black rubber. Come. Okay. So, this water now we are going to throw it away. This is our cassava. So here is the cassava. We want to raise it because of the cyanide compound on it. This is here is the cyanide compound. Okay, so this one is not more needed here. The two. So we want to So now you see the shaft of the cassava. So some of them are not soft. So we want to dry it, okay? So here is the Nigerian fufu. save it. You see, we are going to allow the water to come out like this. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friends and family. This is Nigerian Fufu. Thank you for watching. So, beautiful people, here is our Nigerian fufu. This is Nigerian fufu. I want to put it inside this serving bag. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. This is our Nigerian fufu dough. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.